Welcome to Glitch Drive, where stupidity has a driving license. In today's video, we expose the world's biggest idiot drivers on the road. No rules, no skills, no brain. Just reckless moves, dumb decisions, and pure road rage fuel. If bad driving makes your blood boil, you're in the right place. Let's roll.
Neck, yeah. So, I mean, when you watch them on film, you're like, oh, okay. They're playing well for them. They're playing well together.
Really?
Sounds fun, and also.
Could have cleaned it.
Whoa!
Fuck!
Hold on.
Oh, fuck my ankle.
And literally everybody's coming. Imagine there's a road just like this where there's always cars. Fuck, bro. Now he's gonna go again? He's gonna do it again? Bro, he fucked up everyone, bro.
You know whose fault that was?
His.
But you know why?
Why?
Because of me.
Is that Tyler?
Set my heart.
sorry. Shit.
Assaulted, raped. She also maintains that the man was convinced she called for the after running into tracks in downtown LA. She says she fell asleep.
UTK and then up and around back to Athens, which sucks. Oh, hang on. Oh my fucking god. Call 911.
Okay.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Your phone line's gonna die.
Jesus Christ. Seriously?
Твою мать!
You are energy.
That's because and now, like, the cat's just like, I'm fine, what are you guys talking about? Like, I opened human food and the cat gets all excited and wants to eat food. So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, duty cat. Yeah, it doesn't sound fine. No, it doesn't sound fine at all.
What pees in the litter box? What's the, that's what I don't understand. Litter box.
Okay, I got what I like.